In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Middle. So Middle is an app designed basically for PC itself. But you can find it also on iOS and Android. But of course, in this video, I'm showing you how to install it on PC. So just go and open a browser and head to middle.tv. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. Simply click on download Middle. So save it and wait for it until it's downloaded. Then you will need to run the .exe file to install it in your PC. It's very simple and it's very easy. So let me just go and double click on that, and it should start downloading. Let me just wait for this. And yeah, let me just quit the support here. So as you can see, it will prepare to install. I'll just have to wait for it until it's finished. It's very simple. So the update seems 7 or 17 megabytes. Let's just wait for that as well. And here we go. It's downloaded, as simple as that. So what you can do now is basically log in into an account. If you click on Google or anything else, they'll open a browser and you can go and log in through that browser, and basically it will take you back to Middle. If you choose Discord or any other thing, unless of course you're logged in using email, you can do that and Middle itself. So once you logged in with your email or anything, you should find yourself here with Middle and it should be opened with no problem. So how to use it? It's very simple. Launch a game. Middle will auto detect any PC game when you open it. Then you'll have to press F8 on your keyboard. Middle will clip the last 30 seconds of your gameplay. Then you can review and edit your favorite clips, share them right away however you want. At the top here, you can change how many seconds it should be captured. So whether you want the last 30 seconds, 15 minutes, up to 5, and even you have here a custom amount of time, even up to 20 minutes. You can change the hotkey however you want if you don't want it to be F8 as an example. And yeah, it's just gonna wait for you until it's opened the game. So as simple as that. And of course, once you finish your things, once you finish as example, let's say, or you enter your game and you clipped everything, if you go here to this left panel on albums, you'll find all your games example, all your clips. You can create an album and put an example, a clips of specific game on a single album, and etc. Here's an example. You'll find trending new games, and here you'll have the home screen where you'll be able to see others people clips as well if you want to. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.